Hello students, this lecture, this video lecture is for BCom Part 3 Semester 5 students. I am going to discuss in this lecture about the syllabus and question paper pattern. The syllabus of compulsory English for BCom Part 3 Semester 5 is of 50 marks. 40 marks are allotted to written exam and 10 marks are allotted for internal assessment. The text prescribed for study is Horizons. It is a textbook for college students. From this textbook, you will study 4 prose lessons, 4 poems, and some topics from business communication. Unit 1 contains 4 prose lessons. Ratan Tata, Steve Jobs, Vijay Bhatkar, Black Money and the Black Economy. These are the 4 prose you are going to study in Unit 1. In Unit 2 is of poetry. In poetry section, you are going to study 4 poems. The first one is A Red Red Rose by Robert Burns. The second prose is It is Needless to Ask the Saint the caste to which he belongs by Kabir, Sant Kabir. Then the third poem is Love's Philosophy by P.B. Shelley, and the fourth one is The Garden by Andrew Marvell. And in Unit 3, you'll study business communication, computer technology and recent concepts in business. In that you are going to study certain topics such as paperless office, video conferencing, e-banking communication skills, public speaking, strategies for effective speaking, types of speeches. These are the 3 units prescribed for your study from the textbook. Therefore, I recommend the students to buy the textbook. The second thing we should know before actually starting to study the textbook is the question paper pattern. So the question paper will look like this. Here you can see on the screen. Compulsory English, time given to you is 2 hours. It is for 40 marks. So the first question is answer any 3 of the following questions in about 100 words each. 100 words is the instruction given to you, but you write more. 100 words are not sufficient. It is better to write 1.5 page. So you will find 4 questions are there. These 4 questions are based on the prose you will study. After these 4, you have to attempt only 3. Each carries 4 marks. So question number 1 is for 12 marks. Then question number 2, answer any 3 of the following questions in about 100 words each. The same question, I suggest you to write 1.5 page at least. So this question number 2 is based on poetry section. There are 4 questions asked in the examination question paper and you have to attempt just 3 out of 4. And then question number 3, answer any two of the following questions for 8 marks. This is based on unit 3. So you'll find a question like this: write a short note on the different systems of video conferencing. You are the joint secretary of Eco Club in your college. Prepare a welcome speech for the inaugural function of the club. Such questions are there based on unit 3. So you have to attempt any two, 4 marks each. Here once again you have to write in detail. You have 2 hours time. You can write systematically, but don't go on writing more. If you write more, you will commit more mistakes. Therefore I recommend you to not to write more. Write less but write perfectly. Then question number 4 is there. It is for 8 marks. Question number 4. So rewrite the following questions in the correct by using correct option. So it is MCQ questions. You can score 8 out of 8. Therefore, if you read the textbook very carefully, definitely you can score 8 out of 8. So here the questions are like this: the government of India awarded Ratan Tata the Padma Vibhushan in dash. You have to select one of the options and write it down. So such questions are there. They are called multiple choice questions. These multiple choice questions are 8. You will be asked, and you have to select the right option and write it down. While writing, be careful. You have to write the question number, and then if you are attempting, for example, 5th sub question, then write the 5th sub question complete and select the right option A, B, C, D out of it. That to write down, underline it. What I found, many students, they just write the right options. For example, question number 4 and sub question 5, then just D and eternity, underline it. No, you have to write like this: sands o life is a reference to dash, reference to either it may be an hour of glass or death or desert or eternity. Underline it. So if you write like this, then only you will be given marks. Otherwise it depends on the examiner whether to give you marks or no. So what I suggest you is to buy the textbook Horizons, and then half of the book is prescribed for semester 5 and the remaining portion is for semester 6. Clear division you will find in the textbook. 4 lessons are prescribed, 4 poems are prescribed for study. Then some topics from unit 4 are there. It is based on communication skill and IT skills. And out of these 4 topics, these are the 4 questions. It is very easy syllabus, and 10 marks are allotted for internal assessment. In internal assessment, you are going to submit one assignment that carries 5 marks, and you are going to give a presentation, a seminar that carries 5 marks. So it is better to prepare the seminar right from today itself. Select a topic, collect all the information. I will, post you post a video on how to give a presentation, a seminar presentation. You'll come to know that. So this is your syllabus and question paper pattern. Hope that you understood it well. I stop here.